How to change your mail on Rockstar Social Club account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will be guiding you through on how we can change your email on Rockstar Social Club account. So if you're wondering how you can do it, it is super easy. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Rockstar Social Club in your browser. After that, after you're successfully logged in, at the top right corner of your browser, you can find this menu bar. When you go ahead and click on it, you can find your account here. So you're going to go ahead and tap on this first option that says account. So here are different settings available. So we're going to go ahead and look out for the option called account settings, which is on the second last option. And when you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. So here under display name, you can find your email address. In order to change it, you can find this change option beside your email address. Just go ahead and click on it. And in order to go on with the process, you need to verify yourself. So you need to verify yourself by answering the question that you answered while you were trying to create your account in Rockstar Social Club. So go ahead and enter the first name of the first bit, like the answers. They will ask you questions which you may have answered while filling up the form of the Rockstar Social Club while you were trying to create an account. You just need to enter the answer and then verify your account. After the verification is complete, you will be getting to the space where you can change the email address. So here you have your current email address. In order to change it, you just need to enter the new email address and tap on save, and your email address should be changed in Rockstar Social Club. So that is how you do it. It is super easy. Follow the method that I just told you, and you should be able to change your email address of your Rockstar Social Club account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.